This particular demo will show you how to set up the boundary conditions in software Fluent. Once you have set up materials and models, the next is to set up different boundary conditions, including the domain, and that is the cell zone. Here we go to cell zone condition, select the cell zone and select material which we have to set in the domain. You can also select porous zone, source terms, etc. and set their individual conditions. Within the cell zone condition, there is something called as operating condition. Here you set the operating pressure of the domain and the gravity. After setting the cell zone, next we have to set the boundary conditions, that is various boundaries present and their physical condition. Here there are various boundary conditions available for each boundary. Like wall, here we are seeing the options for wall. We can select momentum and thermal. Within thermal we can input heat transfer coefficient, free stream temperature and heat generation rate. We can also select radiation, mixed, etc. We can select the material name. We can select radiation species, DPM as well as multiphase. We set the boundary conditions for different walls one by one, whatever is applicable to that boundary. For inlet, we select velocity inlet. There are also other boundary conditions like mass flow inlet and pressure inlet available. Within velocity inlet, we have to specify the magnitude and direction and the turbulence parameters like intensity, hydraulic diameter, turbulent viscosity ratio, etc. We set boundary conditions for other walls also. All the boundaries present in the domain are available here and we have to set it one by one. Generally preferred is the turbulent intensity and hydraulic diameter for turbulent specification. As you can see, various boundary conditions are available.